In the shadow of an impending apocalypse, adaptation is key. First on the priority list, secure your basic needs: water, food, shelter. Water is life and food fuels survival. Shelter protects against the elements, the unknown, the threats that lurk in the darkness. Next, master the art of flexibility. The world you know is shifting, crumbling. Old rules no longer apply. Learn to navigate this new landscape, to bend without breaking, to change without losing yourself. Third, foster resilience. Strength isn't just physical, it's mental, emotional. In the face of despair, find hope. In the midst of chaos, find calm. Lastly, embrace community. Alone, we are vulnerable. Together, we are formidable. Share resources, skills, knowledge. In unity, there is survival. Remember, the apocalypse may change the world, but it doesn't have to change who we are. Adaptation is survival. For more survival tips and insights, subscribe to Apocalyptic Live. Stay prepared, stay alive.